The very first step of financial data analysis is to get data. One of the popular formats for storing data is CSV file. In this video, you will learn how to import files with CSV format and how to save data into DataFrame structure. We have to import Pandas in the notebook before we use any functions or data structure from Pandas. To import Pandas, you can type import Pandas in Jupyter Notebook like this. It is more convenient to use a short name. Hence, alternatively, you can type import Pandas as PD. Then you just need PD to represent Pandas. For example, if you want to use any modules or functions from Pandas, you can type PD function name or PD module name. Now we want to import two data files, Facebook.csv and Microsoft CSV. These are historic stock data of Facebook and Microsoft. We can import these two files with two lines of code, like that. We are using DataFrame to store data. Therefore, we need a PD. The method from CSV helps us to read the CSV files saved in the folder of data. We assign names FB and MS to these two data frames. We can use the method type to check the data structure of FB. As we can see, this is a data frame from Pandas. By looking at this output, the historical data of Facebook has been successfully imported as a data frame. In the next video, we will explore the details of methods and attributes of data frame.